No crumbs are left. Sorry, you can't eat here because no crumbs are left.
You're very pretty. You're very pretty. You're very pretty. You're very pretty.
Okay guys, I'm doing my makeup tonight because I haven't done my makeup in a while and I really like doing my makeup. It's fun. But I feel like what motivates me to do my makeup is hair. So I put on this wig. My hair is in really nice braids. I just slapped this wig on because I love a little wig makeup look. This looks a little strange, but once we're done with the makeup, we'll focus back again on the hair and it'll make sense why I have 2 clips in the front of my hair, okay? I also want to say hi to my #1 viewer, my ex-boyfriend's mom. She loves watching my videos, y'all. She loves them. I'm just gonna skin prep really quickly. I'm gonna go in with this Charlotte Tilbury Magic cream and I'm going to moisturize my face with this. I want this to be a talking video, but I don't want it to be like a very long chit-chatting video. So I'm just gonna put this on my skin. And the key to a really good lace front is to keep that band on for like an hour. It's almost midnight, y'all. I've been studying for like 5-6 hours. Granted, I did take a break to eat dinner and also just to take a break, and then I'm gonna go in with this Saie glow gel. I also went to the gym this morning because I rarely have Sundays off, and I got a Ninja Creamy yesterday and I made a Ninja Creamy. That's my cats that know. So yeah, as y'all can see, this illuminator just makes your skin look even like more glowy than the moisturizer. I have so many foundations and I want to use them all, but I always end up just playing with my favorite ones. Like I don't explore outside of the 2 or 3 that I really like. I'm trying to branch out, but it's hard. And I don't want to, I don't know if I want a glowy or like a matte look today. Okay, I'm gonna go in with my NARS Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation. So this one's a little different. This one's a little bit more full covering. We're just gonna go in with 1 pump of this, and then I'm gonna mix it with my Estée Lauder Double Repair Foundation. And hopefully the shade match is good. And I'm gonna go in with my new 56 brush from Sephora. So we're just gonna get this blended. I'm scared. Like, period. I always skip steps when I'm doing when I'm filming. It's okay, y'all. But yeah, this is blended out really nicely. I feel like it doesn't look as matte as I thought it was going to be, but we'll see. I just gotta give it a little bit and it's probably gonna mattify a little bit more. That's the foundation for y'all. The one thing I also really hate about doing my makeup is just washing it off. I would rather get in the shower and take a whole shower to wash off my makeup than lean over my bathroom sink and clean my face, because I gotta get my neck. I have to get, like, you know, it gets really messy. So I'm quickly gonna do my eyebrows. I'm gonna go in with this Anastasia brow wax. So as I said, I like my brows to be thin. I feel like when your brows are thin, you can really focus on the eye, you know? So I try. I'm not the best, but I try my best. And because I feel like my foundation was pretty matte, I'm gonna go in with like a watery concealer. I'm gonna go in with my drugstore one again. I really like this concealer. Like, what? Drugstore? Like, and it eats so bad. Yeah, 47.5. I put it on with a sponge. So I'll clean up what I'm doing with just like a flat brush and make it more refined. Now I have my little beauty blender and I'm gonna like lightly pat this out. Okay, so Okay, now I've placed even more concealer on my face, and I'm just gonna like pat this out with my brush. That way the color is a little bit more pigmented compared with like the beauty blender. And then we're gonna go over this with the beauty blenders. And today my new desk chair came in. Ugh, I'm getting like an itch. It's like right here. It's so wide, y'all. You can like kind of see it. It's so wide. Like this is scary. It's a lot of concealer. I'm gonna get Snap. I'm gonna get filter. Snapchat. Now I'm gonna go in with this Too Faced contour. No, I think it's a bronzing stick. Yeah, bronzing and sculpting stick. And we're gonna add some color back into my face, y'all. And I'm really liking the like high cheekbones, like, cause I have high cheekbones and I never enunciate them. We're gonna try that today. We're really going to sculpt my face. I like it. And we're gonna do my nose as well. I'm gonna do that with like a brush. Period. Look how good the face looks, y'all. Serving face all the time. It gets hard, you know. Serving so hard. I'm just gonna take a little brush here and just add some nose shadowing, make the nose look snatched. Oh, I love this bronzing stick from Too Faced, and it smells so good too, y'all. So shout out to Too Faced. Now I'm gonna go in with blush. I've been loving this like e.l.f. liquid blush. The color is just perfect, so we're gonna use that for underpainting. And y'all, as I've said, I love a good little light pink on my cheeks. Oop, that one a little too high. Just like that, and it blends out so beautifully. You can't even tell that I put it way too high on that side. It's very like sheer, but like in a good way, you know what I mean? Like, just gonna go over any harsh lines that I see with my beauty blender to really make sure I'm giving youthful and radiance. And then I'm gonna go on with my favorite powder, which is the Mercier powder. Nothing tops this, y'all, nothing tops it. And then I'm gonna go in with the One Size powder. I'm trying to start using this again. And I'm just going to use this to bake the side of my face. Like that. So that my cheekbones look like really snatched today. Instantly go in with like a powder brush. Powder, there we go. Look, that line is harsh, y'all. It's giving drag. This powder off, y'all. Your girl likes a bright under eye. And y'all, trust the process, trust the process, trust the process. Now I'm gonna add even more powder. I'm gonna go with this Mercier powder, and it's like pink. It's like pink. So we're gonna add even more, ooh, highlight. I don't know what that noise is. Probably somebody's car. And add some more shape to my nose. As you can tell, I'm like really trying to keep the powder on my under eyes, not like go all the way down, you know what I mean, and make my face look droopy. I'm just put the excess in the middle of my forehead. What is that noise? Somebody got the most annoying car noise ever. I'm like, oh my god. Okay, that's scary, but y'all gotta trust the process. Oh my god, these powders be creating such a mess, but it's so worth it. So I'm looking really white and pale at the moment. So I'm gonna take some of this powder here And I'm just going to bronze up my face. And this is also going to help with those harsh lines that I've got going on here. And then going with like an even more refined brush. I do 2 layers of this. And I'll show you what I mean in a second.
This is just happy stuff. Yeah, I want him to, maybe I should leave you there. Because sometimes if you think the worse, it ends up being better. I honestly think.
And then of course this is when I add more pigment.
Thrive Market can help.
And if I want to do my nose, I'm watching Hulu at the same time. I will do my nose. I personally like to go in with my Juvia's Place because I feel like it's more cool toned compared to my One Size by Patrick Ta. Like this looks a lot more warm and I want like a cold color on my nose. Does that make any sense? Yeah. And then I'm also gonna go in with some blush. Add some color and cuteness to my face. Okay, now we're gonna go into lashes now that the face is done. The face is done. I should do eyeliner, but I'm not feeling it today. Let's see, what length should I do? What density should I do, y'all? I'm gonna go with 40. I'm just gonna do my classic lash map. I love just using individuals. You can apply them under your lash and it looks natural. Now we can move on to the lips. Something I want to start doing again is making my lips round. I started doing like my natural lip shape, and although that is really cute, the round lip ate. I look at old photos and I'm like, I miss the round lip. So we're just gonna use the Fenty Beauty lip liners. That's what I really like at the moment. Hold on. Y'all, there's like a way to push these out. I almost just did my lip without recording. Since I have like a double lip line, I'm gonna just do the smaller one. Does it make any sense? No. Just watch what I'm doing. I wish I didn't sharpen these because I learned that there's like a way to like push it out. There we go. Okay, I just broke off the lip liner. And I'm gonna go in with my favorite e.l.f. lip oil at the moment, which is Honey Talks. I always just clean my lip gloss applicators because I don't want to get my lip glosses dirty, but I like the applicator. Dirty, 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 dirty. Okay, let's undo my hair, y'all. Hopefully, ooh, like the wig band is already, it's giving me a headache. I'm capable, don't trust and believe. I'll do what needs to be done, period. Now I can remove these little clips. There might be a little foundation or something in my hair. Try and comb that out. I really hope his mom watches until the end because what? What? Face card, what? Like what? And I'm just gonna quickly do my edges because they are a little puffy. Just a light bit, just so it blends in a little bit better. And I just use like a combination of water to try and like, I don't want it to be like shiny or anything. To like go down in size because I don't need all that volume. And a little bit of this like mousse. Again, I don't want it to be wet. Like I remember I did a video and my hair was like greasy at the end. You can't have greasy hair. Money talks. Dirty, 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 dirty. God, that's not stuck in my head. And y'all, I switched back over to like the good edge control that like doesn't make my edges white and I don't have to use as much. And this is just the 24-hour edge tamer in the extreme firm hold. My other one, I have it right here. This one I think is in mega hold. Ignore it's like worn off because you know I've had it for a while. But these little family size jars, these will last you the like over a year. So I'm still glad that I have this, you know, in case I want to use it. Right now I just use it to raise my mirror so my mirror doesn't hurt my neck as much. But y'all, this is the end hair, the makeup. I think I'm serving face. So I'm gonna do my little poses, take my little selfies, y'all. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm trying to put you girls on, trying to put you girls and guys, whoever, and non-binaries, who's ever watching, I'm trying to put y'all on. And left no crumbs, 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 no crumbs. No crumbs were left, no crumbs are left, no crumbs are left. Sorry, you can't eat here because no crumbs are left. No crumbs are left, literally. So y'all already know I'm gonna be posing. So do we like the ear behind or do we like the hair? I think it eats both ways. Like, and the round lip, oh, I can't believe I stopped doing it. But you know, like in photos it looks a little weird because your lips are like overdrawn, but like from afar it gives like more juicy lip. You know, it gives more juicy. It gives more juicy lip. You think you know me?